Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear lovely students and my honorable teachers. Welcome to Bangladesh Alokito Prathamik Shikkok page. How are you my dear students? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I pray to Allah you always live well and good. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. My dear lovely learners, today I am very happy. Do you know why? Because I will take 100 live class in this page for you. So I am very happy. Okay, my dear lovely student. Today I will take a lesson of class 5 in English from Bangladesh Alokito Prathamik Shikkok page. The page who are made, the teacher are very active and lovely teacher. Okay, my dear student. So, who are studying in class 5? Please sit down with notebooks and pens. Now I am starting my class. At first, you look at the screen. Here is my introduction and your lesson introduction. You know who I am. I am Muhammad Abdul Rashid, assistant teacher, Kamalpur Haji Janab Ali Government Primary School, Bhoirab, Kishorganj. And here is your lesson introduction. Class 5, subject English, lesson 1, unit 6. Okay, my dear students. Now look at the screen. I wish you in this flower for my 100 class. Okay, my lovely learners. Okay. Now look at the screen. What do you see in the pictures? My lovely learners, what do you in the pictures? Now think and try to say about these flowing pictures. Think and try to say about this flowing picture. Think. Okay. These are fruit. Okay, and these are healthy food. Okay, my dear lovely student. Okay, why do you eat healthy food? You know why do you eat healthy food? We eat healthy food because these foods protect our body and diseases. We eat healthy food because this food protect our body from diseases. Okay, my dear student. So, I think you guess something today's lesson. What is today's lesson? Today's lesson is eat healthy. Look at the screen. Today's lessons, eat healthy. Eat healthy. Write down in your khata. Okay, my lovely students. Now look another picture in the screen. What do you see in the pictures? What do you see in the pictures? Okay, and try to say these pictures. Okay, there are many kinds of food. There are many kinds of foods such as rice, fish and burger. Okay, there are many kinds of food such as rice, fish, egg, milk, burger. Okay, my dear student. Now look another picture. What do you get? What do you see in the pictures? Think about these pictures. These pictures are vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruit. Look, vegetables and fruit. Why do you get these foods from? Why? What do you get these foods from? Look, what do you get these foods from? We get vitamins from vegetables and fruits. Look, we get vitamins from vegetables and fruits. Okay, my lovely student. What do you see in the pictures? Say the name of this food. Okay, please try. Say the name of the foods. Look, meat, milk, egg, fish. These foods name is meat, milk, egg, fish. Okay. Do you know which food are nutritious? Do you know which food are nutritious? These food are nutritious. Okay, look, meat, milk, egg and fish are nutritious foods. Now look at another slide. I think you enjoy this class. What do you see in the pictures? Please try to say the name of this food. Try to say the name of this food. This food is rice, roti and cake. Rice, roti, cake. Where do you get these foods from? Where do you get these foods from? We get these foods from the grains. We get these foods from the grain. Okay, my dear student. Now look at the another picture in the screen. There are three pictures. There are three pictures. Please try to say the name of these foods. These foods: orange, carrot, and papaya. You know, orange, carrot, papaya. Okay. What do these foods give us? What do these foods give us? Give us, okay? This food protect our body from diseases. These foods protect our body from diseases. From diseases, many diseases. Okay, my lovely student. Now look another picture in the screen. There are some pictures, three pictures. Try to say these food names. Try to say these names of the foods. Chips, you know very well, chips, ice cream, chocolate. These are your favorite food. So, okay, my lovely students, but these are not good for health. You know, these are not good for health. What do these food for our body? Look, what do these foods do our body? These foods make our body fat. These foods make our body fat. These foods make our body fat. Okay, my lovely student. Now look another picture. I think you enjoy this class very much. Okay, class very much. There are three pictures in the screen. Do you know what is the name this food? Okay, this food name is milk, lettuce, fries. Look, milk, lettuce, fries. Okay, my dear student. What do these foods do for our health? What do these foods do for our health? These foods make our body fit. These foods make our body fit. Look at this kid. These foods make our body fit. Okay, my lovely students and learners. Now, open your book. Look at this kid. Open your book at page number 22. Look, listen and say. Look, listen and say. Okay, my lovely student. Everybody listen to me what I read. Look. What do you see in the pictures? Try to say. I read it. Okay. Look at the picture. This is milk. Sorry, my lovely students. The electricity has gone. So, I want to see in my laptop. Do you see in this picture? Do you see? Okay. This food is milk, fries, lettuce, cake, rice, orange, carrot, papaya, roti and vegetables. Again I read it. Listen to me. Okay. Milk, fries, lettuce, cake, rice, orange, carrot, papaya, roti and vegetable. Look at this kid. Okay. Do you see? Okay, my dear student. Now look at the another skill. Now we will learn the meaning of the Bengali word. Now we will learn the Bengali word. Look, delicious. Delicious. Okay, my dear student. Now I use in the board. Delicious. Delicious. অর্থ বাংলা অর্থ সুস্বাদু। সুস্বাদু। ওকে, নেক্সট ফেভারিট। ফেভারিট। ফেভারিট বাংলা অর্থ প্রিয়। প্রিয়। ওকে, কারেক্ট। কারেক্ট। নেক্সট ওয়ার্ড কারেক্ট অর্থ সঠিক। ওকে, ডেইরি। ডেইরি অর্থ দুগ্ধজাত। দুগ্ধজাত। Okay, my dear students. Grains. Next word grains অর্থ শস্য দানা। শস্য দানা। Delicious সুস্বাদু, ফেভারিট প্রিয়, কারেক্ট সঠিক, ডেইরি দুগ্ধজাত, গ্রেনস শস্য দানা। Okay, my dear student. Now we learn some similar words or meaning words. Look at this. Look at the board, whiteboard. The electricity has gone, so some problem. No problem, no tension. Okay, my dear lovely students. Now we learn some similar or meaning words. Correct. Correct. Similar word is right. Look at the whiteboard. Right. Correct. Right. Healthy. Healthy. Similar word is fit. Fit. Okay. List. List. Similar word is catalog. 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 GUE. Catalog. List. Catalog. Okay. Love. Similar word is like. 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 Love. Like. Okay. Quickly. Quickly. Similar word is fast. Fast. Okay, my lovely student. Next word response. Response. Similar or meaning word is answer. Answer. Write down in your khata. Okay, my lovely student. Now I read again it. Correct. Similar word is right, healthy, fit, list, catalog, love, like, quickly, fast, response, answer. Okay, my lovely student. Now we make sentences with suitable words. Okay. Now we will make some sentences with suitable words. Look at the screen or board. Orange. Orange. The word is orange and make sentences. Orange gives us vitamins. Orange gives us vitamin. Vitamins. Orange gives us vitamin. Okay, ice cream. Ice cream is junk food. Thank you. Ice cream is junk food. Ice cream is junk food. Okay. Next word is egg. Egg gives us energy. Egg gives us energy. Egg gives us energy. Next word, carrot. Carrot. We eat carrot. Make sentence. We eat carrot. We eat carrot. Okay. Fish. Fish are our main food. Okay. Fish contains protein. Make sentence. Fish contains protein. Fish contain protein. Okay, my dear student. Now I read it again. Orange. Make sentence. Orange gives us vitamins. Ice cream is junk food. Egg gives us energy. Carrot, we eat carrot. Fish contains protein. Fish contains protein. Okay, my lovely learners. Now we will see some present form to past form. Okay, তোমরা জানো আমি বরাবরই তোমাদের জন্য ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম থেকে পাস্ট ফর্মে কিভাবে গঠন করতে হয় সেই ওয়ার্ডগুলি আমি বা ভার্বগুলি আমি তোমাদেরকে বারবার দেখাচ্ছি। কেন জানো? এইগুলি তোমাদের খুবই প্রয়োজন। তোমরা যতই বড় হবে, যত উপরে ক্লাসে যাবে, এই ওয়ার্ডগুলি বা ভার্বগুলি যদি জানো, সবগুলি ভার্ব, তখন তোমাদের অনেক কাজে লাগবে। হ্যাঁ, তাহলে আমরা এখন কি করব? নাও উইল লার্ন দ্য প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম অফ দ্য ভার্ব টু পাস্ট ফর্ম অফ দ্য ভার্ব। Past form of the verb to present form of the verb. Okay, now look, present form past form. Past form. Okay, my dear student, now look, present form verb is do, put, is. Okay, eat, like. These are present form verb. Do, past form, did, did. Put, past form, put, same, put, P-U-T, put. Is or am, is, past form, was, eat, ate, A-T-E, ate. Like, present form like, past form liked, L-I-K-E-D, liked. Okay, my lovely student, I think you will learn this past form to present form. Okay, now we fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. Okay, I write some words: protein, energy, healthy, top, vitamin, health, and grain food. Grain food. Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable word from the box. I write bread gives us. Okay. Number 2, tasty food is not always good. Tasty food is not always good for. Okay, we can get energy. From. Number 4, we get from lentils. Okay. Number 5, we should eat. We should eat food. Now, dear student, fill in the blanks with suitable word from the box. Look, bread gives us energy. Thank you very much. Energy. Tasty food is not always good for. Tasty food is not always good for health. Health. H-E-A-L-T-H. Health. We can get energy from. Grain food. We get from lentils. We get from lentils. We get protein. Protein from lentils. We should eat healthy food. Okay, my dear and lovely students, I hope you are we are enjoy this class very much. Today this class is my 100th class, so I am very happy. My lovely students, the electricity has gone, so I face some problem, but I continue for you. I give you some advice for you. You live well, stay at home, listen to your parents, and do your homework. If you face some problem, please inform us. We always try to solve your problem. Very thanks to see my class. Live well. Thank you so much.